As the world is still reeling from the cold from the Chinese sneeze,
we're working on two things. One, to accelerate development of a vaccine, and second is access and equitable distribution.
all eyes are now at the World Health Organization for the white vaccine smoke, with the global health body saying they are close to the light at the end of the tunnel.
And we're already discussing with many partners, relevant partners, and look forward to announce the initiative as soon as possible in the next few days.
And for the countries mulling the lifting of lockdown restrictions,
but we need to not move away from lockdown. We need to move towards something else.
the Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus-led body says it should be done, but with great caution.
So-called lockdowns can help to take the heat out of a country's epidemic, but they cannot end it alone.
And we need to move towards empowered people and communities who understand how to protect themselves and how to protect others, and who are willing to continue with the degree of personal hygiene and physical distancing that will be necessary going forward.
If the lockdown is lifted too quickly, if the lockdown is done all at once, you could see a resurgence in cases. You could see that this virus can take hold in certain closed settings, and it can take off again.
The body, which has itself been at the heart of a storm over the manner it handled the pandemic on its initial stages, says besides public health directives imposed by many governments around the world, political and world leaders hold the golden sword that could slay the COVID dragon.
This virus is dangerous. It exploits cracks between us. When we have differences, there are cracks. The virus exploits those cracks. Take as an example ideology, or in one country, it could be the differences along party lines. It exploits that. That's why I said we need national unity.
WHO says it is also in the process of beefing Africa's efforts of fighting the virus.
There is no secret in WHO, because keeping things confidential or secret is dangerous. It's a health issue. It should go immediately.